Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Wonderboom 2 with your MacBook. You have to start by click at this Bluetooth icon at the top, or if you haven't it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And now right here at the top we have power button, right here. Press one time on it to turn on your speaker. And after that, right here we have pairing button, so press and hold on it. And the speaker entered to pairing mode, and we can see it actually at the device list, so just click connect near to it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!